Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search search or copy any symbol or emoji over your Windows PC or any of the device. Now, if you don't know, you don't have a special keyboard for emojis over your Windows laptop or desktop. Now, to get the emojis, just simply open any of the browser, and here you need to search copycar.cc. Once you do that, just simply go to the copies car.cc, and here you can see multiple emojis and symbols will appear right in front of you. You can see the sections as well: letters, punctuations, numbers, currencies, symbols, and even the emojis as well. Now, if you want to copy any of the emoji or the symbol, just simply tap over it, and you can see this emoji has been copied to my clipboard. You can use any of the emoji you want and use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.